Hello, hello, hello. I'm Marquita Waters, and I'm a singer, a vocal coach, a songwriter, and an author. And I've had decades of experience. I've been on national TV. I've been signed to record labels. So I've had lots of successes, but there's also been problems. I had broken blood vessels, benign tumors on my vocal folds. Doctors even caused a growth on my vocal folds. But fast forward to now, and I'm singing strong in my voice and my life. So I want to give you practical help so that you can discover your voice, unleash all of your singing talent, and not strain with your voice and with your life, because singing is for a lifetime. So I want to help you sing through it all. Let's get started. I'm going to talk about Feeling Good, the song that I sang just a little bit ago, and I'm going to analyze my singing. Now, I want you to understand, like a lot of the songs that I've been singing, just singing them out to you, they are not produced. This is not like a recording that we're doing in the studio. There's no producer saying, oh, do that part again because you sang it wrong, or whatever else. There was a glitch over here. You know what? You could do that part just a little bit better. Now, I did take a few takes, but then I did it straight through because I was practicing performing. And when I practice performing, I'm going to be expressing myself an awful lot, and some of the things that I sing might be a little bit sketchy. You know, I might be pushing a little bit here and there, more than I would do in an official recording, okay? I also want you to notice I'm going to be doing chest voice, I'm going to be doing head voice, and the mix. I'll point those areas out to you, and also the fact that I make the song my own. I change it up. Now, my voice is strong enough to take me getting guttural with things, so check that out too. Okay, let's get started. Woo-hoo. I let the intro go, humming through it. First verse.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun up in the sky, you know how
I'm thinking about that sun.
breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
I put a little tag on that. Second verse.
Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running deep,
Chest voice.
you know how I feel.
A little push on that sound, huh?
Flowers in a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Now I'm pushing that. I'm getting a little grit in there.
Dragonfly out in the sun.
This is stop
You know
time.
how I feel. Butterflies all having fun. You know how I feel. Sleep in peace when day is done. That's what I mean.
Stretching that out.
'Cause this old world is a new world, and a bold world for you and me. Yeah. For you and me.
And now I'm going to go into a modulation. I allowed a lot of grit to come into that.
I say, stars when you shine, you know how I feel. Ooh, scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Freedom is mine, you know how I feel. This old world is a new world and a bold world. It's a new day.
I'm tagging it
It's a new life.
soft, and then I get a little bit louder.
It's a new day.
Now, when you're singing your song, I want you to keep in mind, number one, you don't have to do it like the artist did it. Now, there's several artists that did this song, but you want to do it your own way. So listen up to different people. I have my students listen to me after they listen to the person they've been listening to for a long time, and they go, wait a second, oh, you can actually change here, you can change there. And yeah, that's the whole thing of making it your own. You can change this so that it fits you. You can change the key so it fits you. Your phrasing, how you emphasize. So I do a pull and push. I get loud and soft, sometimes on notes, and sometimes from one part to the next. I put a little grit in there. I did chest voice. I did ooh. I did head voice in there. I did the mix. The voice gave a little bit and then came through. Now remember, like I said before, this isn't recording quality. This is performance practice, because so much of the time you never hear the artist before they make their mistakes. You never hear them in practice. You only hear them at the finished product where everything is taken care of. Any auto-tuning, redoing a part, you know, it's... And a lot of times you think, oh my gosh, you know, I could never sing like them. And the thing is, you heard me, it's not perfect. And that's how it is before you have the finished product. Or when you're practicing for performance, you're going to have some glitches. Now, I did that all the way through, no stopping. And I did it and allowed those glitches to happen for that reason. You have to hear it before it gets recorded. And know that everybody makes mistakes as they're coming through to get that final product. So don't be too hard on yourself, okay? All right. Also at the end, I got louder, I got softer. There's a whole bunch of stuff that went on in that song. So give it another listen when you have a chance, the feeling good. And look at what I'm doing. I'm actually seeing the stars in the sky. Stars in the sky, you know how I feel. Notice how I was here and then I came back down there. So your emphasis in how you perform this song is going to be so important. How you feel, how you give that feeling to your audience. And there was another thing I wanted to tell you about. What was it? I know. You need to subscribe. And ring that bell. Oh, and you know what? A lot of times, like with my voice, you can hear the grit coming in and you can hear me going loud, soft, and I've got all kinds of colors going on. And the reason why my voice can do that is because I keep working it out. I work it out a lot, and I do it in Singing for a Lifetime. It's a group we have. And I'd love you to join us. We only do vocal workout. Now, guys, this is for the girls only. So it's a girls group. We meet once a week, and I change the exercises every week. We go through chest voice. We go through head voice. We get up to that whistle stop. Oh my gosh, you know, and mix area. We do all of them. I change the exercises. We do that's all, just 6 exercises. But they really do work your voice. And when you're doing it consistently, because you have it all week long to listen to the recording. It's live on Thursday, but the recording is there all week long. Plus, I leave 4 weeks up. So you can choose whichever week you liked the exercises. When the new one comes along, that one goes up, and then the oldest one goes down. Okay? So I just invite you to check out, go to marquitawaters.com and check out Singing for a Lifetime. We have so much fun, and we keep working our voices out, and that's why I can do some grit. I can go up to a high note, a falsetto, or a, as you would call it, guys, or a head voice. I can go down to the true chest. Ah, yeah. I can go down there and be nice and strong because I work my muscles every week, many days a week, okay? So you might work your body out, but you got to work your singing muscles out too, okay? All right. So, like I said, you got to subscribe, you got to ring the bell. Go to marquitawaters.com. Check out Singing for a Lifetime. You never know if it would be for you. All right? And please leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think. I'd love to know what's going on in your life, okay? All right. Well, you have such a day, such a mighty fine day, chest voice, yeah, such a mighty fine day. Head voice. Okay. All right. See ya. Bye-bye-bye.